Hello guys, welcome to my channel Sweet Fruit Diet. In today's video I'm going to share with you 3 most important tips how to lose weight. Let's go start that. Stay tuned. Be sure to stick to the end because in the end I'm going to share with you the most important secret. My secret which help you to lose weight quicker. Chocolate should be treated as luxury items by the good staff and only eat them every once in a while. If you really want to eat, then enjoy one small pieces. Don't eat more than 1 egg per day. It's best if you can reduce eggs intakes to 3 a week. Eat foods from all of the food groups each day. This is a great way to ensure you are getting all those nutrition your body needs, and it helps to ward off any diet deficiency. Also, don't eat the same foods all the time. Experiment so that you don't get bored with some old diet. Your diet should include all aspects of the food groups, including carbohydrates. In fact, your diet needs to be about 50-55% carbs. Carbs are a great source of energy. Those diets that prohibit carbohydrates are actually harming you and only making you crave them with such more. Your diet should cases you to be deficient in anything. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel, put notification bell, put comments below. I really wait for